Welcome to the creative cosmos of AI, where your imagination meets the future. Are you ready to become a craft expert in AI image prompts? Today, we're diving into the revolutionary method that will unlock your potential to create trending images. And guess what? It's absolutely free. Join me, let's explore the secrets behind crafting prompts that bring your wildest visual ideas to life. Whether you're an artist, a marketer, or just someone who loves to play with possibilities, this video is your ticket to mastering the art of AI-driven creativity. So, grab your notepad and let's get started on this thrilling journey to AI mastery. In this video, we will use two completely free AI tools, ChatGPT and Bing AI Image Creator.
First, let's open our browser. I'm using a Chrome browser. So I've already typed in what I want to search. So you search chat.openai.com. If you've not signed up to ChatGPT OpenAI, you sign up. But me, I've already signed up. So what I will do here is to come into ChatGPT, and you see this sign here. I will click on it to attach a photo. So let's start with this photo here. I saw it on one Facebook group, and let's add that photo. And what we'll do here, let's paste in our text, and I'll read out what the text says. It says, describe this image with detailed prompt to generate this exact kind of image, including all the features from skin color to eyes to makeup to photo background, every feature the image has. So let's surprise ourselves. Let's click on enter. It has given us a detailed prompt. What we are going to do now is to copy this prompt it gave us. Copy, and we'll go over to, you can decide to open a new tab and search for Bing Image Creator. If you search for it on your browser, this is what you will see. You type in your prompt here, and if you click on join and create, it's going to ask you to sign in your account and all that. But for me, I'll be going over to my Bing app on my phone. I'll be using that because I get points, reward points for using the app. I'll leave that in the description, the link to the app, and I'll also leave all the links I'm using here for this tutorial. Image Creator, let's open that. If you look, it's still the same interface it has. I will click in here and paste in my prompt. Let's create this image. You see, voila, I'm so surprised. I didn't get the exact image, I got something similar. This is the original image. So we don't want to create other people's work. We want to get ideas of what they created so we can write better prompts. So this, you can come in here and change any of the description, but now you have the original prompt you can start working with. You can add in what you want to add to it, you can minus what you want to minus it, and you can create a whole brand new prompt. So this is the image we got our idea from, and let me show you the prompts again. We have, we got 4 different images. Once you have all your images, you click on these 3 dots and download any of the images or all of the images if you want them. Each of them, if you go to one, you click on the 3 dots, you download. That's downloaded. You click on the 3 dots, you download. You click on the 3 dots, you download. You click on the 3 dots, you download. Let's close this out. So if you come to explore ideas, you can paste in prompts you want Bing AI image generator to create for you, and all these things are free. If you want to see all the creations you've done, these are my creations. So this is what we just created now. If you go up a bit, you see what I created in the morning. You can see all your creations, so you can come back and download which one you want, but after 30 days it's going to actually wipe out. Just for you to know, just to bring that to your notice. This was beautiful. This is a beautiful image I generated. Yeah. So let's stop blabbing and let's go back and try it again with another image I got off from the internet. Click on this and try with this one and add. Let's go to our clipboard. So yeah, so let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Let's highlight the text. Let's just see what Bing AI image creator gives us. So this, let's go in and see what we can change. Digital illustration of a woman with a regular appearance adorned in vibrant traditional. She has a rich dark skin tone, hazel eyes, and wears elaborate makeup. Her hairstyle is styled into intricate braids adorned with beads. Okay, this is cool. She exudes sophistication. This is what we wanted to type. Let's hit on create. Isn't this beautiful? So you have a different image entirely without racking your head. People sell these images. This image is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. I've downloaded it. I'll be using this. Yeah, this is epic. Yeah. These images are beautiful. So let's go back to ChatGPT again and try another image out. You can actually get ideas from normal images. Any image you see and you like it, just screenshot it and ChatGPT will give you the idea you want. This is somebody's image I copied from Facebook. So let's paste in our what we want ChatGPT to do for us. Okay, let's see. So one thing else you can do, just if you want to still work on this, you can tell ChatGPT to rewrite this prompt to be under 480 characters, including spaces. Okay, this is good. Like, let's go back to Bing AI Creator in our app and go back to explore ideas and paste in our prompts. Okay, let's create. So you get the idea. You're just getting an idea from people's images to generate your own prompt, and these prompts you're going to use them to create your own images which are going to look original to you. Let's go back to ChatGPT and try one last one. Let's go to our clipboard. Let's copy this. Go to our Bing AI image creator and let's paste in our text, but I'll be working on this one a bit. Digital illustration of a fashionable cartoon character. I'm going to add cartoon to that. With a dark skin, styled and trendy, she has large expressive eye, framed by pink glasses, wears bold makeup, include pink lipstick. Her hair is styled into her locks. Let me add locks because I have locks on, so I like using locks with intricate. I don't need this intricate braid. I don't need all this English. So you get the point. You get the idea of you can change what you want to see. She wears a form-fitting black top. I want her to wear a white top. This is quite cool. This is funny but interesting though. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, you get the point. So you can get prompt ideas from people's images. You can see an image, screenshot it, and come create your own prompt. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and do have a good one.